to you guys. This is from the Punjab, Pakistan. Okay, we check first like that. Okay. Oh, this shoes. The shoes. Shoe offer. My God, love the shoes. The heels. You see guys, this is from Pakistan, Punjab, Pakistan. Oh my God. Thank you, this package. You see? This is, I like these heels. Like so much. Okay, we try later, okay? And then what is this? Yeah, there is this kind of sweet cane. They're telling me this sugar cane. From pure sugar cane, they make dry. You try? It's delicious, but you know, the taste sugar, but when you eat the sugar cane, the fresh is the same. Oh, guys, it's delicious. You're dainty. And then have another one. Okay. Guys. This sweet is also from the milk. From the milk from the cow. See? I don't know what is the name because I cannot read. I cannot read. But we try. You see, oh. This is guys, it's smooth. Yan yun, look. Yung soft, sweet, pure milk. By the way, guys, thank you so much. Malik family from Punjab, Pakistan. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort to send me this. And now I try this. It's okay in my I fit. I try this. It fit. I try this shoes. This the color is beads cream. Caramel Latex, thank you so much you watch my video, and to all my viewers, love you so much.